Good morning, all students of class 5. Today I take your online class, math class, and today I discuss about ACF. And before going on chapters, I do some rules about ACF. That is, rules: the ACF of the numbers cannot be greater than the smallest of the numbers themselves. Number 2, if one number is a factor of another number, then ACF of the two numbers is the smallest number. Co-prime numbers are the numbers having ACF equal to 1. Any two consecutive numbers are co-primes. Now I start exercise 5C, and now I show you the sums. Exercise 5C. Fill in the missing factors, then write the common factors and greatest common factors of each of the following. That is B. Factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Factors of 22. 1, 2, 11. Common factors 1, 2. Highest common factor 2. That is highest common factor 2. Number C. Factors of 26. 1, 2, 13 and 26. Factors of 44. 1, 2, 4, 11 and 44. Common factors 1, 2. Highest common factor 2. Okay. Now I show you the details maths. 1, A, B and C. Okay. Now two numbers. Find the ACF by listing all the factors. 27, 17. Factors of 27. 1 into 27, 3 into 9. That is factors of 27. 1, 3, 9 and 27. Factors of 78. 1 into 78, 2 into 39, 3 into 26, 13 into 6. So factors of 78, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 13, 26, 39 and 78. Common factors 1 and 3. That is AC highest common factor 3. Okay. B. 41, 84. 41, 1 into 41. 84, 1 into 84, 2 into 42, 3 into 28, 4 into 21, 6 into 14, 7 into 12. Factors of 41 equal to 1 into 41. Factors of 84 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 12, 14, 21, 28, 42 and 84. Common factors 1. That is ACF equal to 1. C. 82, 94. Factors of 82. 1. I do it here. 1 into 82, 2 into 41. That factors of 82, 1, 2, 41 and 82. Are factors of 94. 1 into 94, 2 into 47. That is 1, 2, 47 and 94. Common factors 1 and 2. That is ACF 2. Okay. Now 28, D number 28, 114. Factors of 28. Factors of 28. 1 into 28, 2 into 14, 4 into 7. That is factors of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Factors of 114. 1 into 114, 2 into 57, 3 into 38, 6 into 90. Factors of 114. 1, 2, 3, 6, 19, 38, 57 and 114. Common factors 1, 2. ACF 2. D. E. 27, 30, 110. Factors of 27. I do it here. 1 into 27, 3 into 9. 30, 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. That is factors of 27, 1, 3, 9 and 27. Factors of 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. Factors of 110, 1, 2, 5, 10, 11, 22, 55 and 110. Common factors 1. That is ACF equal to 1. F. 36, 48, 94. I do it here. Now I show factors of 36, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Factors of 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16 and 24. Factors of 94, 1, 2, 47 and 94. Common factors 1 and 2. That is ACF 2. G. 45, 48 and 96. Factors of 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. 48, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12. 16, 24 and 48. 96 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 32, 48 and 96. Common factors 1 and 3. ACF 3. 8, 92, 28, 34. Factors of 92, 1, 2, 4, 23, 46 and 92. Factors of 28, 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. Factors of 34, 1, 2, 17 and 34. Common factors 1 and 2, HCF 2. I, 14, 110, 245. Factors of 14, 1, 2, 7 and 14. 110, 1, 2, 5, 10, 11, 22, 55 and 110. Factors of 245, 1, 5, 7, 35, 49 and 245. Common factors 1, HCF equal to 1. Okay. Now, division method. Find the HCF using long division method. That is 42, 58. 42, 41, 42. That is minus 16, 16, 2 the 32, 10, 10 1 the 10, 6, 6 1 the 6, 4, 4 1 the 4, 2, 2 2 the 4. Division method. That is HCF of 42 and 58 equal to 2. B, 72 and 92. 72 1 the 72, 20, 23 the 60, 12, 12 1 the 12. That is 8, 8 1 the 8, 4, 4 2 the 8. HCF equal to 4. Answer HCF equal to 4. Achha. C, 86 and 110. 86 1 the 86 minus 24. 24 3 the 72. If we do minus, that is 14. 14 1 the 14, 10. 10 1 the 10, 4. 4 2 the 8, 2 2 the 4. That is HCF equal to 2. D, 78 and 95. 71 the 78. 17, 17, 4 the 68, 10, 10 1 the 10, 7, 7 1 the 7, 3, 3 2 the 6, 1. That is HCF equal to 1. E, 160, 142. 142 into 142, 18, 18, 7 the 126. That is 16. If we minus it, 60, 16, 6, 2, 2 8 the 16. HCF equal to 2. F, 175, 120, 120, 1 ja 120, 55, 2 ja 110, 10, that is 10, 5 ja 50, 5, 5, 2 ja 10, HCF equal to 5. G, 164, 180, 164, 1 ja 164, 16, 16, 1 ja 16, that is 4, 0, 16, 4 ja 0, 4, 4 ja 16, that is HCF equal to 4. H, 115, 145, 115 1 115, 5 5 0, 3 3 3 ja 19, 30 into 3 90, 25 25 1 the 25, 5 5 5 the 25. HCF equal to 5. I, 120, 135, 220, 120, 135, 120 into 120, 15, 15 8 ja 120, 15 220, 15 1 ja 15, 70, 15 4 ja 60, so 10, 10 1 ja 10, 5, 5 2 ja 10, HCF equal to 5. J, 70, 140, 235, 70 2 ja 140, 70 235, 17 3 ja 210, 25, 25 2 ja 50, 20, 21 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20, HCF equal to 5. K, 180, 250, 370, 180, 250, 180, 70, 72 ja 140, 40, 41 ja 40, 30, 31 ja 30, 10, 10 3 ja 30, that is 10 370, 10 3 ja 30, 70, 10 7 ja 70, that is HCF equal to 10. Okay. Now I show you the pages. So now I revise chapter 5C, that is HCF. First of all, I give you some rules of HCF and then I do some sums. And to all students, I request you to practice all these sums at home, and you repeatedly practice, do these sums at home, and next day I revised LCM. Today I complete HCF, and I request you, your question is MCQ, and one question is against one question, 4 options, you choose correct one and put a tick mark on it, and then your exam starts from 10th August, and then it will be continuing, and you must, I hope that you must prepare yourself for exam, and I hope that you all keep yourself good health and you stay at home and keep yourself safe and healthy. Okay, thank you.